Today, we're going to review two-dimensional shapes, or 2D shapes. The first one, let me turn this way, is a circle. The circle has no sides, or it could have one side, depending on who you ask. And then it has no corners. So 0 sides, 0 or one side, because it has one side, or corners. The next one is a triangle. The triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 corners, and 1, 2, 3 sides. That is a triangle. Then we go down to a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Let's count the sides. 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a square. And then we have a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. The sides 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle is different than a square, that the 2 sides are longer than the other 2 sides, whereas a square, it has all sides the same length. Then we go down to the pentagon. The pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Count the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Counting the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting the corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that a 6-sided shape is called a hexagon. I couldn't draw the 7-sided. That's a hard one to draw. So I drew an octagon instead, which is horrible. An octagon is the same shape as a stop sign. So we see these often. So an octagon has 8 sides, 8 corners. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It helps when we circle the corners, and draw a line through the sides. All these sides are supposed to be equal, but yeah, it was me drawing them, so they were not. And so if we're reviewing, my light is bright on the thing. We have 2D shapes: a circle, a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a pentagon, and an octagon, and a hexagon. Circle has no sides or one side, no corners. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. A square and rectangle both have 4 sides, 4 corners. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. And an octagon, which is the stop sign shape. That's a tongue twister. Stop sign shape has 8 sides, 8 corners. And these are your 2D or two-dimensional shapes.